everybody, welcome to my sweet memory factory. So thank you for liking my picture so far, and finally we're gonna get some hands-on and do it yourself. Since it's the autumn and tomorrow is Halloween, I decided to do something cute, funny. So we have PVC tubes, we have a witch socks, bamboo, those are 3 feet, and this is 2 feet long, okay? Then we have a broom and a witch style tutu that can be used for anything else if you have little girls in the house. We also have witch gloves. We have just a black sweater, something simple, just like that. We have a witch hat, obviously, and a witch wig, okay? So this is what we need to create what we are going to create now. Okay, so this is the Gorilla Glue tape, and we just want to seal one of the sides of the PVC tube. And again, we want to use something reliable that we know is not going to be falling on us, right? So here we go, ready to create a leg. So now we're going to put inside the socks again. Very easy, simple. And we're going to stuff the paper to create more of a human toilet. After all, they do have human lives. Oh, let's see. Next, we are now going to use the bamboos on the pot. So we wanted to make it look like she fell and splattered on the floor, like she vanished. When she hit the ground, she just poof, disappeared. So you want to find So next, we're going to fold those socks a little higher so we can manipulate the legs. So just roll them up. Where you can see the other end of the PVC. Just roll them up, just like that. And here we go. Okay, let's try this one. All right, nice and easy. We have the legs. So now we are going to go all the way down. You still want to keep the flowers looking nice. So now we're done with the paper. As you can see, we did not need too much, right? So what we want to do is that we want to create like something different, right? So we want to put the skirt here as if she got trapped with her legs out into the closet. So this tutu was actually perfect because we have a elastic band for the waist, which you can look for something similar, or you can do it yourself. Very, very easy. And then I'm just gonna pull those in, like going into the flowers. so we have the tutu right now is part of the flower. So we just created, it's really a flower ornament that you can use for anything you want. You can use this as a centerpiece for your sweet tables. You can use this for a bar, sidebar, or the entrance. So we wanted to create an eco look. We don't want to have a back. I don't like to have backs for any flower ornaments because I feel that flower ornament from any angle that you see it should look the same. So there's no back for flower ornaments, at least not for me. So this part is done. This was an old pair of shoes and I just decided to be a little more creative. So this is a ribbon that I cut it and I just glittered around in purple. So now we're gonna do that. And I don't think the camera is actually catching the feet, so we're gonna have to lower that. We are going to finish this is by using the black sweater on the floor. Then we're gonna fill it up with paper to look real. So let's go outside. Okay, so now we're gonna finalize and I'm placing my ornament at the entrance of my house. This was my autumn setup and I just wanted to give a Halloween twist that way, right? Since tomorrow is Halloween, so. Here we go. I'm gonna put it that way. Fix it a little bit, you know, so it makes sense. So this hand is going to be facing forward, just like that. And of course, you can use your imagination. Whatever your mind takes you to make this look fun and cool. So now we're gonna place the wig. Since she has fallen face down, we're gonna have the hair all over the place. Right? We're gonna have her hat. And her broom, of course. No matter what, they never let go. This is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have fun doing it at your own home. Do it yourself. Nice and easy. Thank you.